Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to access WASBO's Buyer's Guide. So first things first, you're going to see the Buyer's Guide right here, right the first thing under Resources if you're not logged in. You can also go to wasbo.com/buyer's guide. But here it is right here. This is the main landing page for the Buyer's Guide. Now, you're just going to click this button, but before we do that, there are basically over 100 different categories of products and services in the Buyer's Guide, making it easier for district professionals looking for a service and service affiliates to connect. You do need to log in and have an active membership to be able to view the Buyer's Guide, and service affiliates need at least one active membership in order to participate in the Buyer's Guide. So we're going to click here and it's going to ask me to sign in. I'm going to sign into one of WASBO's test accounts. And this is the actual Buyer's Guide right here. So as I mentioned, there are actually 100 different categories ranging from everything from access control systems all the way down to Windows. And you can click on each of these, like site planning. It will show a bunch of these right here. You can press return to Buyer's Guide. You can click on another one like administration software. That will show them all right here. You can also click on these different ones on the side, like custodial services. And I am going to go back up to control systems. That will bring them all right here. This will show up a result of everyone who's clicked into that product and service within the Buyer's Guide. So we have all these different companies so far that have filled out this information. We're just going to go to the first one, Assa Abloy. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to their company profile. Now you're going to see their main headquarters address, their email, a quick company description and bio. This is all the products and services they listed in the back end in their company description, so their profile is going to show up for each of these. And finally, we see contacts. The contacts page is going to list all of the reps who have within the company that have an active service affiliate membership. We do all of our memberships on an individual basis, so only the reps that do have that membership will show up here. It's going to show their name, title, phone number, and email found in their profile. You also, if you want to click on organization search right here, you can also search by organization. So we're going to type in line, for example. And it's going to pull up their company profile right here. You can also go back to Buyer's Guide search to look through all of these different options. And yes, that's pretty much it. You can view all of these different organization profiles. It's super easy to use. You just have to sign into your WASBO account. District professionals, if you need any help signing in, feel free to contact the WASBO office using this number right here. You can contact WASBO using this general email, or you can contact me, Ryan Savola, who runs the Buyer's Guide, at marketing@wasbo.com. If you have any questions about logging into your account, or if you're a district professional, or if you're a service affiliate member and you have any questions about your Buyer's Guide listing, please don't hesitate to reach out, and we will continue to remind any service affiliates who have not filled out this information to do so. We hope district professional members will utilize this service to find service affiliates that who are offering the products and services that they would like, and we hope service affiliates will continue to fill out their information in their company profiles so that we can continue to collect that data and make it easier for district professionals and service affiliates to connect. Thanks!